State versus Frost looks at another 8033 example in which the defendant made statements that showed his extreme dislike of the person he ended up murdering. And so we want to offer his dislike for this person, or evidence of his dislike for this person, as proof that he acted on it. So the defendant lives at a Howard Johnson's where he gets a reduced rate for staying there, but he works as a maintenance worker in the hotel. He apparently had some dispute with one of the night clerks, and he chose to rob the place because he knew that the safety deposit box behind the desk of the Howard Johnsons had a certain amount of money in it. And he robbed it and stabbed the night clerk 29 times. And so as part of its case, the prosecution wanted to show that this was not a last-minute decision to kill, that the defendant had very carefully chosen someone he disliked to rob, and that the killing was premeditated, in addition to being part of a premeditated robbery. And so in order to do this, the prosecution wants to offer the statement of another night clerk whom the defendant had told that he was going to get the other night clerk fired for using cocaine. And there's no evidence that she actually did use cocaine. But regardless, the fact that he had this animus toward the other clerk is relevant to show that he acted upon it, that his dislike of the clerk shows some evidence of his intent well ahead of time to kill her, as he then does. It goes to motive. It goes to explaining a future act that was animated by what's revealed in this statement to be his then existing mental state of mind, his animus against that particular clerk. So the court says that yes, this statement absolutely does come in. This statement prior to the murder, that he plans to get that particular clerk fired, that absolutely can come in to show that when he killed her, that was a premeditated killing.